The 2026 Field Van Summit S1 continues to build on the brand's reputation for creating premium adventure camper vans designed for travelers who demand comfort, durability, and off-road capability. Built on a reliable van platform and equipped with high-quality components, the Summit S1 is aimed at explorers who want to venture far beyond traditional campgrounds while still enjoying the conveniences of home. Its exterior design is both rugged and modern, featuring reinforced body protection, all-terrain tires, upgraded suspension, and practical accessories that prepare the van for remote destinations. Every detail is engineered to improve durability and confidence on rough roads without sacrificing the sleek appearance expected from a premium camper van. Inside, the cabin offers a warm and welcoming atmosphere with premium materials, smart storage solutions, and a layout that maximizes every inch of available space. High-quality cabinetry, soft lighting, and durable finishes create a comfortable environment for weekend adventures or extended road trips. The seating area is designed for relaxation and flexibility. Swiveling front seats combine with the rear lounge to create a spacious living area where travelers can dine, work remotely, or simply unwind after a day of exploring. Large windows allow natural light to fill the interior while providing scenic views of the outdoors. The kitchen is fully equipped for life on the road. It includes a refrigerator, induction cooktop, sink, generous countertop space, and multiple cabinets for food and cooking supplies. This practical setup makes preparing meals simple whether parked at a campsite or deep in the wilderness. Sleeping accommodations are designed with comfort in mind. The Summit S1 features a spacious bed with a supportive mattress, ensuring restful nights after long days of travel. Clever storage compartments beneath the bed provide room for camping gear, luggage, and outdoor equipment. The bathroom offers impressive convenience in a compact space. It includes a shower, toilet, sink, and practical storage for toiletries. Efficient plumbing and water systems allow travelers to enjoy modern comforts even when camping off the grid. One of the standout features of the 2026 Summit S1 is its advanced electrical system. Large lithium batteries, solar charging capability, and a powerful inverter provide reliable energy for appliances, lighting, and electronics, making extended off-grid adventures much more practical. Climate control is another strong point. Efficient heating, ventilation, and optional air conditioning systems keep the cabin comfortable throughout the year. Excellent insulation helps maintain interior temperatures while reducing energy consumption in both hot and cold environments. Safety remains a priority with advanced driver assistance technologies such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, parking sensors, and multiple airbags. These systems enhance driver confidence whether navigating city traffic or traveling on long highways. Performance is dependable thanks to a powerful engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The Summit S1 delivers confident acceleration, stable highway cruising, and enough torque to handle mountain roads, gravel trails, and challenging terrain while carrying camping equipment. Storage capacity is thoughtfully designed throughout the camper van. Overhead cabinets, hidden compartments, exterior gear storage, and organized utility spaces allow travelers to pack everything needed for extended adventures without making the living area feel crowded. Connectivity and entertainment features include a modern touchscreen infotainment system, smartphone integration, USB charging ports, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and optional internet solutions. These technologies help travelers stay connected while enjoying life on the road. The driving experience is surprisingly comfortable for a fully equipped camper van. Responsive steering, refined suspension tuning, and supportive seats reduce fatigue during long-distance travel, making cross-country adventures enjoyable for both the driver and passengers. Overall, the 2026 Field Van Summit S1 stands out as a premium adventure camper van that successfully combines luxury, practicality, and off-road capability. Its high-quality construction, thoughtful interior design, advanced technology, and reliable performance make it an outstanding choice for travelers seeking unforgettable adventures without giving up the comforts of home.